catching this move right here, but I want to show it. This was on the down right here, and the Nadex price 37 we was looking at. Look, that's still at 31. It's still prices at 41, and this was down to probably like 33, 34 actually. The indicative was like 34. So we was looking at this downtrend right here, these right here, and we were still pretty much in this downtrend. It's a little uptick, and it just went down, right? So we was in this little downtrend right there, and we took 37. Look, it's still a number at 37, 2150 to sell 31.7, and we're still reaching down. So I kind of like that, right? 2 minutes left, right? Look, at 31.7, it's still $20 on a short. Still that on a short, right? So that's pretty good. That's 33 on 33.7. Wow. Look, we still got what we look like in this market. We're still just shooting down. We're shooting down right now, and it's still a number up there that was worth getting, right? So I like a trade like that, I believe, right? And that was just a random jump in. Just happen to be looking and seeing this go on. This isn't really a typical, my typical trade, but how I've been trading it, it could be if I was, if I was kind of trying to be aggressive in these compressed market situations. But look at that nice drop right there, right? That's a nice drop right there. So when we come back and get prices, what they probably gonna give us 33, right? A price at 33, and we could probably go in there and still do 33 with this particular drop that we get right here, because it's a nice one. It looked like we could. Let me see, we got to that little point. I mean, we went in at 33. That'd be a little scary though, right? It might be a little scary, just only because of the time. Or only because of the time, because see this big dagger right here. That dagger coming out right there. This is the trade setup. Dagger comes out here. Oh, look at these daggers coming out. Bam, 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 right? And then when it comes back up inside the Bollinger Band, then I'm looking for the turn. What type of numbers they giving us, right? They giving us a number at 35. Look at that, 1450 at 35, 39, 39. The short on 39, right? And what we doing? We're still shooting down. So, and I'm looking. It would be some time. Let's see what would it shoot up to? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. So let me see. It's about to. I'm looking for it to make its turn soon. And the market's moving fast, and it turned real fast. Right there, I like to see a doji first for the confirmation, but this is moving kind of fast. So I'll wait. I'll wait right here to see what this is. Right? See if to get a confirmation on that. And once I get a confirmation on that, I'm like, all right, it looks like the market turned around. All right? Let me see the prices I get on a confirmation. So off of this, what's that? I could possibly go in and buy the 27, right? I'll buy the 27. I'll probably buy the 27 on this if this confirmation is, I like to see that. And look, this candlestick is pointing upwards, right? Okay, now that's my confirmation. Now that's my confirmation. I could go in and buy. I have to buy 31, right? I have to buy 31 or 35, or 31 or 35. I could buy. All right, preferably 30, 35. 31, of course. We could buy that, but 35 we could do that too. See, and right now we get in that move up, that upward move, right? And see how that green doji right there? It's kind of long, but it's a green doji. And we're getting this stochastic pointing upward also. So we're loving that right there. We're loving that. And now, only thing I don't really like, I'm thinking, is that this dagger has moved up so fast. It's pointing out a little quickly, so it might pop in quickly. But what we're looking at now is got us in pretty much good shape, right? Pretty much good shape. We with whatever price we was in, 31, 35, you know, even still a price of $10 up there at 35. So, you know, we still have time to get into that trade in for the $10 or whatever. You know, so look at that. So, and see that's a nice movement. That's the movement I like. And then if I looked on the MACD, this is a 5-minute MACD, so it's kind of lagging, but it shows the strength right there, right? And I like to look at this chart because it got the grid and it's black, and I could tell like kind of where support and resistance should be. So look, I believe this right here, if it makes it past this point, it's still got a little bit more to go to that move, maybe 29, 40 something, right? Maybe 29.40, depending on how this indicative move, 29.41. But look, on that 35 or 31, we went in there. We got three pips insurance, a little bit more. You know, on 31, it would have been like 5 or 6 pips insurance, right? Our time is running down, and we nice. We nice in that trade. And look, see the movement. Look at the movement. Now I'm looking for a turnaround. See right here, the immediate present time right now shows that the market might be in a little turnaround, coming back down. And you could tell that also with the Bollinger Band, because the prices were on extreme. They was out of the standard deviation, right? And then now they was inside. Now look, see, this is that move right there, the crossover, the stochastic crossover, and then a move comes right there, right? Let's look at our trade, but we already out, so don't even sweat it, right? So now I would want to confirm this first. So I'm gonna let it do whatever it's going to do. So this gets confirmed first, right? So we wait 30 seconds, and we're looking at where the price was at, right there. What's the prices? 29, right? 29, 33. So we could get 33. We could sell 30 that 33, right? If we get confirmed. But you know, we're not confirmed yet. This candle's still going on. And wait till the next candle come. All right, and this confirms for us to go in at 30 at our 33. All right, that's how I'm looking at this right now. This market is moving kind of briskly, so it might even jump back. So right, but we was in there. Let's keep our eye on it, see what's going on, right? Because then we was in there at that 33. We got this movement going. So I like to see that it's just good movement right here, because it takes some time for it to shoot back. I mean, it could always shoot back, but you know, it takes a little time. And it hit up on that support right there, probably. Right? We even like to see it go down some more. Maybe it'll just go down a little bit more to try to get that, beat the last support right there. You see what I'm saying? Maybe see it a little better. Right? So it's going down here, it's meeting that support right here. Now if it beats that support, it could do a little breakout down here. To do a little breakout. Like if it beats that, yep, we could do that breakout down here probably. Right? So that'll be even nicer in your trade. It's 33. Look, it's off the book. It's off the book. You still get a little money on 29. That's funny right there. But it's off the book. Look at that. Nice. Nice price action. With let's see, did it just stop? Were we looking at it? And then the price stopped there. But it beat the last low. It made it a lower low. So it beat that last low. And we was on the right side of it, right? Let's see what we looking like. Boom, look, we might be looking for a turn up coming now, right? You see that? You see in the Bollinger Band right here? You see that it's inside the band now? All right, that should alert us right now that it might be a turn up. So then you got to check where your trades is at. You know, you would probably have you was at 33, right? So you already made all your money kind of. I would have had probably could just get out that trade at that time just to be extra safe. But you're still good, right? You're still good, but this market is moving kind of quickly a little bit for the time in respects to the time. So whatever you would have been going on, if we was actually in this trade, you would have we would have had a favorable price and the profit and loss. We could have just took the money off the table, but we're letting the trade actually run through. And look at it. You see that turn right there with that doji right there? All right. And now we will wait for this confirmation again, and you got this turn up. So right there, that lets you know market turn and you want to be out of it. So if I was still in this trade, like you already stuck in it because last 30 seconds, but you went 8 pips insurance on that move. So you're pretty much good, because before it hits back up to you, have to go past the point of resistance. So, but we would look for this candle right here for confirmation of the direction, because this could even go back low again, right? If this dropped and closed just like it did now, it just closed down just now. So I would, well, it didn't close now. Oh, it didn't even close yet. It got 44 seconds. Right? Anyway, if this closes down in the red, once again we're going down, and we're going to watch the market move and a decline. Look at it. See, look at this. Look, see, and we were saying that it probably come down to like down here, right? Look at that, and it's making that fight. The bears got it for a little bit, right? And so it's making that decline and trying to get to that point. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at right there. See, now it's coming to look once again to the outside of the Bollinger Band, almost extreme price move. This is the stochastic points down. Right now went back inside, so we might have to be looking for a turnaround right now. Possibility. Anyway, possibility. Right? And it shows the same here. That went up right there. Boom. But you know, we could get some prices. Like I would possibly wait till this move is over with, and then wait for the confirmation for the next move, and then take the trade off the next move. So not this bunch, but the next bunch coming up. Cool.